Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Locust and today we are going to discussing about self-interrupt method, how we can able to use. In my previous video, before going to this video, please go through that my nested task set video, then only can able to come, because this is the interlink for these two topics, because there I showed you for infinity times execution for one particular nested class. It is excluding for another class. Why means, because whenever we declare the multiple options of the multiple classes to executing for nested classes, then it will execute for any one, it will pick and it will execute, because nested task it will happen like that only. To overcome that, we have the interrupt method. Interrupt method, when you want to use interrupt method, here we can able to declare some waiting for each task set class. Okay, and I'm going to use for time 2 here, and I'm using for 1, using for here again 2, and this task I'm going to use for 3, again 1, again 2. Okay, and also each class time, the last one, I'm going to use for self dot interrupt method. This method is basically to stopping for that particular without any error. It is basically to pass condition. Well, before starting my these videos, like the starting position first video, I show the pass method we can able to pass, right? Just execute and it will goes. It's a interrupt the task set and hand over execution control back to the parent task set. If rescheduled to true, and the parent user will immediately reschedule and execute for new task, which is the new task is presented that class. This is just for interrupting for execution and without any failure case. It will not do any failure cases, just it will show like interrupting middle of the execution, and it will go for parent, and again it will execute for new task, which is a one waiting state it is presented. And my previous video will show only for AB executions. Now you can able to see here all the task execution, and you can able to go ahead here and execute, and two users, choose for two users, then you can able to see the proper result. If you choose one, you will not see the properly. Choose for two users, then you can able to see the output properly. Now see, now our methods also called ABC and post method, get method, again you can able to get post, right? Now you can see, if I interrupt for one user only, then what will happen? The output, say it will taking for AB, only for AB it will take. If you choose for two users, so it is taking very late for execution for B and all. But it's like, it is not what much time we provided, that it is corrupted and it is taking more execution for second nested one. First nested one, very rare case it is taking. If you take two users, it will take for properly which time we declare for waiting for the task. 1, 2, like this, how much time we given, that much time it will take and it will execute for properly. If you choose for two, if you choose one, means it is taking very rarely for remaining waiting state nested classes. Okay, this is all about for interrupt. Interrupt is nothing but just it is interrupting, stopping that execution for that particular class, then it will stop for new class, means it will start for new method class, nested one, which is the one waiting state it is presented, that particular class it will take and it will execute for those things. This is all about for self interrupt method, how we can able to use and all. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.